Group.
My name is Valencia.
My name is Jesslyn.
My name is Jerico.
So today we're gonna show you how to make sushi. First, you need to prepare the ingredients and cooking stuff.
The ingredients are rice, tuna, egg, salt and sugar, cucumber, water, and
The cooking stuff are knife, spoon, bamboo mat, and chopping board. So let's get started.
first, put some salt and sugar into water on the glass. And mix them.
Pour the water and the mixer.
Take the bamboo mat and put the knot.
Make the shiny side nori on the bamboo mat.
Put the rice on the nori and spread it. After that, cut the egg. After that, cut the cucumber. And then slice the tuna.
Put the egg, tuna, and cucumber.
Then roll the bamboo mat.
Remove the sushi in the chopping board. Cut it with knife.
And then dress the sushi with sauce and mayonnaise.
And then the happy sushi is ready. Thank you.